Aloha, Mathemaniacs! Welcome to a special Va'a voyage where I'm challenging you to successfully sail your Va'a to one or more of the islands of Hawaii. You can check out the lava flows on the Big Island, or test Peahi's big waves in Maui, or maybe you're just eager to see molokai or lanai. With winter in full gear, you might just want to head straight for some world-class surfing in Haleiwa on Oahu's North Shore. Or check out some other Oahu staples like Waimanalo, Waikiki, or Waianae. Maybe you've just been longing to see the beautiful Napali coast of Kauai. Your options are endless, Mathemaniacs, but be careful. You do not want to get stranded in the middle of the ocean. And last I checked, it's tough to sail on a volcano, so avoid putting your Va'a on land. So let me know your rule for translating your original image to your desired location, and we'll see how close you can get. Go ahead and share your strategy as well. Let those thoughts be known. Mahalo for tuning in, and aloha.